What's up, Master Gamer? Solar Atomic here, and welcome to a new series. Well, not really. Sort of already made Terraria series. Made like 2 episodes. First one was an actual video with a robot friend, and the other one was 20 minutes within 5 seconds. I think I don't really remember. But yeah, this time it's on console. Console makes everything different. So yeah. Let's see. This. Don't. Now let's have some black shoes. Eye color's blue. Skin color. Let's go red. Nope, don't like that. Wait, no. Just want to get back. Just want to get back to hair. Hair color. Didn't like that hair color. Oh, really? You just keep it the same darn hair. Where is it? Right here. Okay, now let's go here. Oh no, skin color didn't like. Where is it? Right here. Okay. That's better. Okay. And Mel. Okay. Great. And solar. Talk. Hopefully you can't hear none of the crap anymore, like the button smashing and stuff, because that was just annoying. I don't think you can hear the, yeah, let's name the world IDK or care. That's our name? Okay. And welcome to our new world. Oh wow, right here is a great place to build. Well, I think you might be able to... Hang on. Okay, you can't hear that. But I think you might be able to hear me hitting the buttons, which is going to be annoying. Okay, let's go to this area of trees and let's get building our new home. Alright, this is good enough. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to about here. Go down. Okay, there we go. Now we need this. Place this here. Now let's get a chair. And boom. House is sort of suitable. Not yet, we need walls. Looks like our guide over there is getting dominated by some slimes. We could help him, but I'm too busy. Sorry, man. Don't know your name. Can't talk to strangers. That's the #1 rule. Marty? Was that your name, Marty? Are you that zebra dude from Lion? No. Holy crap! I only said Lion King. Madagascar. That's what I meant. And the funny thing is, they don't even go to Madagascar in the first one. They go to. No, wait, no, they do. They went to Madagascar. Or was that the second one? No, the second one they went to Alaska. I think. Is that where they went? Pretty sure that's where they went. Alright. Is that? Okay, I don't know. It's been a while since I watched the Madagascar movies. All I know is there's gonna be a 4th one coming out. What was it? Was it 5th or 4th? I don't know. Okay, whatever. Okay, slime. Slime. Saw you go this way. Right, slime. Ha, here you are. Die. Hey, thanks for the gel. Okay, torches. Okay, we got 3 torches to put in my new home. Oh, another slime. Hey, going to this dude. Thank you for this gel. Okay, let's go in here. Put one there. And put one there. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, you still assigned to it. Nice. Okay. Our brand new home. Fresh start. Nice trees. Okay, now let's head over here. I think I saw a cave down here. It's time to go digging for... Actually, no, we need a better sword in this. Hang on. Let's go this guy. Let's head over here. We have 1 torch to protect ourselves. Okay, let's head in here. Can I make armor? Might be able to. Yep. Okay, now we got full wooden armor. And a sword. So not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. Put that there. Do that. Nah, torches will be here. That there. That there. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Oh, hey, bunny. Are you good, bunny? Don't care. Poor bunny. I wonder who did that. Get back here. Okay, well. No. Anything in here? Hello? Is this a cave? I'm looking for minerals, like, I don't know. Ooh, you can make beds out of this. Come on. Just, come on. Get it all. Get it all. Yeah, got it all. 22, that should be enough to make a bed. Anything? Ooh, yep, I see stuff. Just keep taking. I think that's copper. This is copper, yeah. Okay, nice. Let's get this copper. We can make, copper armor, maybe. Ooh, we got stuff over here that looks like tin. Tin or copper, don't know. Used our only, let's find out. Iron, oh no, it's iron. Yes, we need lots of iron. That looks like silver over there. I think it's silver. It's not gonna be platinum. Is it gonna be platinum? It's silver, yeah, I called it. Okay, let's get some silver. We'll take any ore we can get. Okay, nice. You are coming with us. Slime, kill it. Ha, he can't beat me, slime. Anything else? Let's just dig down. And we have made it here. More copper, nice. Oh no. Oh, okay. That didn't go bad. That. Okay, let's place this torch down. Can we make any more torch? Let's see. Can we make more torches? Yeah, nice. Okay, let's make 7 for now. Yeah, let's place that there. Let's place it there. There we go. Okay, let's dig down. Saw some shiny up there, but I think you need like a stronger pickaxe than a copper one, because copper is weak. And right now, so I have wooden armor to protect me from slimes. We also get silver now. Okay, nice. We can make some good stuff with silver. We'll make some good armor. We're gonna save iron because we have to use a lot of it in the future, and I need to save it as much as I can. So we're not making anything out of iron. That stage is gonna be completely skipped. I thought this was gonna be a bigger cave. That's sort of a huge disappointment. Well, let's kill this slime. Come on. You know you want to die. I guess I'll be right back until I find a decent cave. I've played this before, I think, like 2 years ago, maybe. And when you get to hard mode, iron is, like, hard to find. Extremely hard to find. And it just, yeah, annoying. Oh, the music did change. Okay, let's get this cobweb in case we didn't have enough for our bed. Come on. Okay. Ooh, look at all this iron. I think there's platinum up there. We can go get that. Get 95 iron, which probably can get us like maybe 20 ingots, because you need like 4 of some amount. Come on, you can get it. Okay, there we go. I think this is copper. We don't need copper. I think that's a mama slime. That's a mama slime. Mama slime, I know you're pregnant. Don't want to do this. Yeah, you better run. You can't beat me. Got wooden sword and wooden armor. Barren piece of crap. Let's get this iron. This is my iron. You know what? I'm coming for more. That's right. This armor only gives me 8 health. Ooh, look at this pickaxe. This is a state-of-the-art pickaxe. Oh, see you ready to fight, huh? I'll make those. Get up here. Die. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, come on. You can't beat me. Okay, you're about to beat me. No, okay, Mama. Okay, Mama Slime. Mama Slime. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I got potions. Will you take potions? Here, have a potion. It's like you thought. Now I'm coming for more. I will kill you and everything you love, including the babies that you're gonna poop out once you die. Die. Die, darn it. Die. No one loves you. Just die, please. I'm doing 3 damage. 2 damage. Come on. Come on. Do this for the kids. Do this for the kids. There you go. Now all you gonna die, because I said I'll kill everything she would love, so she wouldn't back off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Back off. Back off! Oh, well, I didn't see you guys there. Well, we're back to where we died. And looks like we scared those baby slimes off like a boss. Oh, heart crystal.
Okay, boss. We can either do this the hard way or the easy way. Now, when you sit down, you can either stay back or we can fight it out. Okay.
Leave you there and just go on my merry day and get this platinum. Silver. This is silver. I knew that. Okay, this was interesting. Okay, now let's continue on our mining expedition. Oh, another heart crystal. Nice. Let's get that. Man, I found 2 heart crystals already. Okay, let's get back up. Hello. I just want to get my iron. I'll be right back, Mr. Skeleton. Hello, Mother. You can go die. Just despawn so I can go on my merry way. Let's get this platinum and let's go get that iron. Man, so much ores. Never had such luck. Well, as in such luck, I mean bad luck, because this sort of has gone wrong a little bit. Died 3 times on the way here. I think there's 3. I don't know. I can't remember. Like 3, maybe 2. I don't know. Oh, that's a lot of iron right there. Man, these baby slimes left me rich. Come on. Let's keep getting this stuff. Let's go and get that. And that. Okay. Let's make my way over here. Oh, dang, we got 126 ore. Man, look at my new pet. Mother slime, can't wait for you to have your children. Because once those children pop out, I'm gonna kill your entire family, and I'll make you watch. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you better keep bouncing. Yeah. Say you're gonna kill me? Nuh-uh. So get my iron. Not getting no iron. Come on. Just get this iron. Come on. We can do it. Last piece. Okay, there we go. Let's get this. Iron is our way to the golden steps of freedom. For all slime race. Besides you. You punched me. And no one cares about the mother slime. They just keep pooping out slimes that no one wants. You know, let's just go here. Now that platinum can stay. I think we found some platinum over here. Yeah, we did. Okay, let's get this platinum. What's this? Diamond. Oh, nice. I got a diamond. I'm rich now. Ooh, we found a, I think that's a truffle place. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's truffle, so. What is that? Black slime. You going down. And no, it's... I could have died. You just tried to kill me. Man, that was a close one. Dang. This place is cool. Chest! And a statue! Come on. I want to start a statue collection. Come on, just go. Let me in. There we go. Now, what is in here? Well, I'll take that. That turns, stuff into ores. Don't know what it's called. I think it's like mud or something. We're gonna take the chest for storage, obviously. Right, that. Okay, let's get this. Okay, if this is copper, we're just gonna leave it. If it's iron, we're gonna take it. Iron, okay, let's take it all. Man, you know, one person could mine all this up. Oh, I did. Come on. Let's get that. This music's cool. Ow! Jerk. I haven't done anything to you. That's copper. We're just gonna leave that to be. I think that's copper. Well, too late now! Crap. Oh, man. One was dead. Wrong button. Here, let's just... E, and now we're good. Ooh, platinum. Let's get that. Just gonna line this up. And I can't see a thing. Which means y'all probably can't see a thing either. Which isn't good for you guys. No. Stay. Stay. Back off. I told you to stay. But you can go down there. Yeah, go down there and stay. Hopefully you die. Hopefully there's like lava down here that he kills him. And I hear water. Woohoo! Okay, well, we're just going to smell all this ore down now. Let's go here. Okay. Wrong button again. Okay, forge. Where do you need a forge at? Right here, 20 stone and 3 torches. We can make that now. I think. I mean, we did kill a lot of mother slimes. I mean, it wasn't our fault. They did get in our way. I mean, mother slimes are annoying. Boom. Got myself the first furnace in the whole world. I invented something for once. Get out of here. Whatever your name is. No one cares. I invented some. I'm an inventor now. Okay. Let's get... We got 4 copper. 67 iron. 14 silver. And 9 platinum. Let's see. Sticky bombs. Ooh, we got bombs. Oh, cool. Can we make any armor? We need an anvil first. That's right. I can make myself an anvil. Let's just, one sec. Boom! Boom! Made the first anvil in the world. Ha! You know nothing, guide. You hear that? You know nothing. Okay. Oh, wow, there's a lot of new stuff now. Well, let's make a grappling hook. Get a chain. Amethyst hook. Diamond hook. Should we make an amethyst hook? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. We made a giant amethyst. That's cool. That would be cool. Oh, armor. Saw armor. Iron. Like I said, we're skipping the iron stage. We have to preserve iron for the future. Sawmill. That's what I was thinking. No, okay, not sawmill. Is there anything else we need? Let's see. Let's place this chest down. Okay, let's place this here. Okay, and let's put this in here. Right there. This. That stays. This. Oh wait, we need to make the sawmill. Wait, sawmill. Sawmill, where's sawmill? We need my iron back. Come here, you. Okay, boom, sawmill. This place is here. First sawmill in the world. Ha. Now we need a loom. Boom. First loom in the world will go right here. That works. Bed. Now, if I'm correct, if we go here, we need silk. Now if I go back to the beds, which will be over here somewhere. Obviously we can't make one yet. We don't have enough silk. Oh no, we do got enough silk. We need wood. Come on, tree. You're going down. Slime, stay away. No one loves you. Slime, no one loves you. Stay back. Said no one loves you. See, this is why you're adopted. Because no one loves you. No one likes you either. No one likes slimes. Die. No one loves you. I want that umbrella. Too bad you can't pick it up. Okay. You guys saw nothing. Oh, we need a sawmill now. Okay, sawmill. Nice, we got a bed. We can set a spawn now. Yay. Okay, wait. Let's destroy this. Put this here. Nope. Let's put that here. Yep, that works. Okay, then let's get the loom, which is here. Where'd the loom go? I'm obviously just being blind. Oh, right here. Okay. That was sad. Okay. Let's back up that. Wait, no. Okay, I'm not sure where we're going to be putting the platform, so we'll put it right there. Nope, that's not going to work. I'm going to break that. Pick it up. Okay, I'm going to put this here. Okay, that works. Whew. Okay. That was a decent video. Now, if you guys enjoy this video of Terraria, hit that like button and subscribe. If we get 2 likes, I'll make another Terraria video. If we get 3, I'll make a Rainbow Six Siege video. And yeah.